Okay, guys, honestly, I might have to apply for the Apple Card. It's getting rough. It's getting rough. I can't buy all three. I will. Listen, IRS might call me. Listen, I made a video about the Apple Card, how I'll never get this card. Hey, listen, it might be time to apply. It might be time to apply. I feel like I should get the entry level MacBook Air. I'm getting entry level everything because your boy, listen, YouTube ain't paying well. guys, it's time. It's time to get the Apple Card. Dude, listen, I can't. It's too much. It is too much. It is too much right now. Goldman Sachs, I can't trust Goldman Sachs. I can't trust Goldman Sachs. I can't. I cannot afford this. I'm at my breaking point, guys. Listen, do I do it? Do I do it, guys? Hey, I don't think it's worth it. I don't think it's worth it for my credit. I don't think it's worth it. Listen to your gut. Gut, what are you telling me? What are you telling me, gut? As a responsible adult, I feel like getting the Apple Card for these products is a dumb idea. This is the adult version of me talking. So that's out the way. All three will be good for the channel, but for financial purposes, the Mac Mini is unified memory. I can't afford this. Can't afford this. You lying. Don't buy it. Sleep one night and decide. I would, but next day, I already know shipments are going to be backed up. That's why it's now or never. Don't go homeless for content. I'll be homeless, but I'll have the new Mac products. I'll have the newest. I'll probably just get robbed at that point. Thank God they give us a power cord. Thank God. Thank God. I need 16 gigs. My 4K videos need 16. I'm getting 8 gigabytes for this one. Because the Mac Mini is my main machine. That's the one that I want. That's a bag. How much is my bag? $3,000. Tim, help me. Oh my God. Bro, what? Yo, learn and apply. $0 today? I can do that. I can do that. Hey, Apple Card, welcome to the family. I might make a YouTube video how to get Apple products for free. If I don't get any reimbursement or gifts from Apple for this, wait, how is $0 due today? That makes no sense. How? I'm already sinking in debt from all four of these freaking phones. The iPad, the Surface laptop, Pixel 5. I just bought an iPhone 11. Bills. I'm dead. I got nothing left. 3K. 3K. It's coming. I'm ordering right now, guys. Alright, guys, since you are part of the channel, is there any gift you want to say? Anything you want to say to us? Wait for Black Friday. I don't think this will be on sale on Black Friday. You should have waited. I like that one. You should have waited. Alright. Next. Apple Cares $250. Wow. Jesus. Take my kidney too. The problem is, dude, it's holiday season. I gotta buy gifts for the fam. Check out. $3,100 after taxes. Your order is only eligible for delivery. What are you, Pizza Hut? Let me pick you up like a gentleman. Oh my. Let me remove the Mac Mini. The Mac Mini will have to wait. $2,200. That's honestly still not digestible, but whatever. Continue the payment. Oh, this hurts. This hurts. Honestly, hey, it might be time to get the Apple Card. Split payment with the second card? That could be my saving. Guys. I have an Apple gift card. I forgot I had this. I forgot I had an Apple gift card. I'm happy. Hey. Guess how much is on this card? $25. Do. Hey, this just saved everything. I'm happy. $25 off is all I needed. You're all set. You are all set. Listen, Capital One, if you're gonna send me gifts, send me free money instead. That's what I really want. I don't want your coffee beans, your fig bars. We're processing your order. 2,200. All right, next order of business. Mac Mini. This one's gonna hurt. Check out. It hurts. Look at my face. I'm not a happy person. Well, guys. I've pretty much lost all meaning in life right now just from what I've done. What you're watching now is the typical Apple customer in his natural habitat. The excitement for the product, and then when you actually see the pending go to charged on your card, this is what we all feel like. Bro, I'm about to start crying, honestly. What just happened? And then I got Xbox and PS5 to buy on Tuesday or Thursday. Like, what is wrong with this year? God. How much is the PS5? I should have just got the Apple Card. $1,000. I cannot believe they did like a silent pre-order for the first wave of pre-orders. Unbelievable. I'm so salty right now. So salty right now.